Over in St. James, Western Jamaica students get a ride to success. This as Metrobus improves attendance. More in this report. This bus is packed and ready with students of Irwin High School in St. James. They are one of 9 schools that is benefiting from a drop-off and pick-up service by the St. James Metrobus Company. The company was recently gifted 12 new buses by the Transport Ministry. The donation considered timely given the long-standing issue of a lack of reliable transportation for rural students. Spot Valley High School is also basking in this moment as acting principal Jessica Davidson welcomes the move. She says since the initiative started,
we have seen a significant improvement in terms of punctuality of the school. I've been out there a couple of mornings out by the school gate, a couple of the mornings, seeing the bus coming in. It typically gets here by about 7:55, 8 o'clock. Doesn't get here later than 8 o'clock, and it's full. It's full with students from the institution.
Ms. Davidson stressed that students' punctuality has also improved.
More students are not only just coming out, but coming out on time. So it's a wonderful addition. I only want one more bus, if we could get one more bus or a couple more trips. But it has been, we have seen a great improvement.
Gregory Brown is principal of Nakalva Technical High School. He says his students
more likely to take the newer unit, They're more likely to take the newer unit than the old dilapidated one that we used to. And so quite a number of them are coming much earlier.
The Metrobus company says it has witnessed an impressive uptake of 2,500 more students when compared to last year. General Manager for the St. James Metrobus Company, Dr. Shawnagay Brown, says the shuttle bus service is not entirely new, but
it's an enhanced service because previously we were offering direct transportation to 5 schools, but now we are able to increase that number, adding 4 additional schools.
She notes that there is some pushback from some students who are reluctant to take the bus in the mornings, but with the help of the police, they often cooperate. Meanwhile, Dr. Brown says the company is facing a driver shortage and is in need of 20 more drivers.
We are in the recruitment process. We are actively seeking persons who are interested in joining an energetic team. We invite them to come and fill out the application form at the Montego Bay Metrobus office.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
Still ahead in primetime.